History of Audi. Audi was founded in 1909 in Zwickau, Germany, by August Horch with the purpose of industrial production of luxury cars. His aim was from the start the international market, and he achieved this relatively fast. The company slogan is "Progress through technology." It is a top producer, well known in whole world, with impressive annual figures and cars. Today the company is almost entirely owned by the Volkswagen Group. How was the logo created? The logo, which proudly represents the prestigious company, was created in relatively trivial way. August Horch simply found inspiration in soap dish, which at the time had a distinct design made out 4 glass lines. Thus, the distinctive aspect of German cars and logo was born. Audi respects tradition and has not implemented any modern models or lines, unlike other companies. This logo brings together the union of 4 different companies which created Audi. In 1932, the Horch and the Audi companies decided to establish the Auto Union with 2 other German companies, DKW and the Wanderer. Thus, every company will specialize on a specific aspect. Both Horch and Audi will produce luxury cars, Wanderer will produce standard cars, and TSK will produce small cars and motorcycles. Audi took the slogan "Progress through technology" very seriously by being the first car manufacturer to ever initiate legitimate impact test. The first one took place in 1938. It is important to understand the history context. All these impact tests were done by people. It was time period when both the safety or the driver and the pedestrian were not entirely prioritized. Audi deserves considerable praise for their safety efforts because their results were implemented by other companies too, and they have outlined the safety efficiency that we are saved by and that we enjoy today. It is no wonder why Audi is one of the safest cars in the world, getting 5 stars reviews for many of their new models for safety. Also, in terms of technology, it is the first time when the name of Quattro appears, precisely in 1980, and was registered by Audi and used to name permanent all-wheel drive technology or system via a central differentials on its models. In 1997, Audi was the first European car manufacturer to release a hybrid car on the market. It was the A4 Avant. Audi R8. Audi R8 is undoubtedly the example of high-performance car, perhaps the best car of the company. The 2003 concept has an evaluated value of over $5 million. After no more than 3 years, in 2006, inspired by the previous concept, Audi released R8. Only the best employees of the company have the opportunity and responsibility to work on this expensive and meticulous project for the construction of the car. More than 5,000 parts and more than 70 hours are required. Audi and the Car Racing. Audi holds the 2nd place among car manufacturers at the 24 Hours Le Mans. Porsche is the first with 18 victories, closely followed by Audi with 13. Audi was the first car to have won the competition with a diesel engine in 2006, and after this achievement, Audi won the competition for the first time with a hybrid car in 2012. Audi continues to innovate, being the first car manufacturer to have ever built cars with a steering wheel on the left side. It happened for the first time in 1921 with a Type K model, 16 years before Germany officially legislated this. It was the most advanced car in terms of engineering, but it also created a difficult situation because the left-wheel drivers were made to drive on the left side of the road. In time, driving was changed to the right side of the road in order to reduce car accidents and to ease the traffic. Audi innovative in new concepts. The newest cars released on the market have shown impressive aspect for the headlights and taillights, trying to combine visibility importance with the most groundbreaking design in creativity and innovation. Among these, there is the car concept Audi Swarm, which materialized this concept. The new design of modal and interactive LED lights bring us closer to the future cars. It is something truly remarkable that stands out from the crowd. How Audi invents itself and always brings new projects. Audi implements upgrades and new ideas through crowdfunding intern projects. It turns out to be a very productive and ingenious idea. Audi Crowdfund brings together creative employees from a wide range of fields within internal investors so that the team formed can implement bold ideas. We use this visionary working method to stimulate the initiative of our employees while strengthening the team spirit within the company, said the officials. Audi and electric cars. The first electric SUV is Audi e-tron, which was presented as a concept car in 2015. But it only reached the market in 2009 due to a long process of construction and adaptation. Thus, Audi implements a new range of cars among the others. A comes from the standard of the luxury cars. Q comes from SUV models, and E for electric vehicles. Although relatively new on the market, e-tron has made a big figures in Germany, Norway, Netherlands, Sweden, and ranking in the top of electricity SUVs in Austria. Audi has made good profit in international market without neglecting exports to any continent. In the United States, 1 in 3 Q8 cars has been sold and is growing annually. The biggest sales are in Europe and in China, where a new record has been set: 69,083 cars in 2019. What kind of feature does Audi come with? Audi is a respectable luxury car. This can be seen in equipment with which the company sells cars. The majority of modern feature comes only with special separate packages. For example, the equipment from Audi Q7 for the new Dark Edition package starting from €3,740, S-Line exterior package, Audi exclusive aluminum wheels, 5-spoke design with titanium optics, Audi exclusive black optical package, rear tinted windows, Xenon Plus headlights, features that bring improvements in appearance and not necessarily in mechanics. The simplest and the cheapest set of features is the advanced type starting from €500, which offers Audi parking system, heated front seats, cruise control, xenon headlights, headlight washer system, front center armrest, and onboard computer. Therefore, in some cases, premium package only offers prestige, not necessarily comfort. Audi has over 100 years of experience, period of time in which it has revolutionized the audio industry countless times by bold cars project and concepts, because it is a luxury and one of the most well-known cars in the world. We can only expect the same efficiency and impressive product that Audi has produced so far.